tough present.
This is tough.
Daddy's gonna have to open up the box for you.
Okay, put the box down.
Cut the box. Cut the box.
Okay, what's in there?
I know. Tank engine. No toys. No toys.
What's that?
I know. Now can I open
No.
Where's thinking engine?
Whoa. Let's see what that is. Hey, Thomas, look at the camera and say thank you, Uncle David.
Look at the camera.
No, look, say thank you, Uncle David.
Thank you, Mr. David.
Say love you.
Love you.